Congratulations, Step Change in Safety, on your 25th anniversary. I'm Mike Milliner, Chairman of the OIM Network and Step Change between 2000 and 2002. It's great that Step Change is still going strong after so many years. The OIM Network was one of the first groups set up when Step Change in Safety was formed, and I was very pleased to be part of the startup phase. The OIM's network formed a vital part of Step Change, together with the other networks, including the elected safety reps. The role of the network was to improve workplace safety by engaging with as many members of the offshore workforce as possible on Step Change initiatives, and to share safety issues of common interest among OIMs. One of the first tasks for the OIM network was to provide guidance on offshore rotas and rest periods. It was not easy at the time. Operators and contracting companies had a multitude of work rotas offshore UK continental shelf, and the European Working Time Directive was coming into effect. The guidance document and engagement with companies was sometimes controversial, but it helped shape more unified work and rest rotas to the benefit of workforce safety. The OIMs were a great group of guys, often coming to network meetings and working in their time off. So my thanks to them for all their efforts. Happy anniversary, Step Change, and wishing you many more to come.